There are a lot of ways that men get caught cheating. This week I'm going to share with you my favorite way that they get caught. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I'm the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, which is premium private investigator training from someone who's been there and done that. My favorite way that men get caught is when they have devices that are synchronized to receive messages and they leave one at home. So, obviously, you probably know this better than I do in a sense, but they're text messaging with the other woman, and they've got an iPad or something at home that synchronizes those messages, and those text messages start popping up there, and the man's wife can see those messages. That's pretty undeniable evidence of infidelity. But sometimes women want to take it a step further, hire a private investigator because they have other questions that they want answered about this. Now, if you're a woman in this position, hiring a PI may not necessarily help you in a divorce case. Check with a lawyer in your area, in your state, different states, different laws, and infidelity, oddly enough, may not play very heavily into a divorce settlement. But if you do have questions that can only be answered by surveillance, and that's the time that investigators use surveillance is almost as a last resort when other sources and methods will not get you that information. If you're ready to hire a private investigator, make sure they know surveillance, they have experience at surveillance. If you are a private investigator yourself and you're looking to be just in that top 10% of PIs that do surveillance, and that's where all the money is, being one of the top 10%ers, please do check out the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance. You can learn more about that over at ShadowAnyone.com. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing. And if you are a dude that just watched this to learn how not to get caught, come on, man. Just be loyal, be faithful. If you'd like to capture incredible surveillance video just like this, then the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance is for you. It is 100% satisfaction guaranteed, no questions asked. If you want your money back, just ask. You'll get it, every penny. That's my promise to you. So click buy it now.